How to remove the search history in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all you need to know when it comes to removing the search history from your Canva account. So there are going to be two different search options where you can see the history of what you're actually researching in Canva. The first one is going to be the main page here, so you can actually see we have the search bar at the top, and if you click on that, it's actually going to show you the search history, or at least the recent two that you actually looked for when it comes to the search history. So as I was saying, there are two different ones. This one in the home menu, and then we also have another one when you're actually editing stuff in the elements section. You obviously would be searching for specific elements, and it's just going to show you the results and also keep it as search history. Now here for this one, it's actually going to show you the search history and also the designs that you have recently opened. So in the case of this one, if you wanted to actually remove the search history for this one, unfortunately you cannot. There's no way you can actually remove the search history over here. You can try to go to settings, whatever you wanted to actually, to try to find it. There's no option. The only thing that I found, if, for example, if you really want to hide a few things, maybe you have a present for someone and you don't want them to be seeing exactly what you were looking for, wedding room, whatever it may be. If you want to hide those, the only suggestion that I actually have for you is to search for other stuff. So, for example, here we have ebook and tarpaulin. Tarpaulin, I mean, in that case, let's just go ahead and search for something else. For example, book cover, and one of them is actually going to be replaced, and then we can just go and replace the other one by just searching for another one. So we can just do post, and then you can see now we have post and book cover instead of the original two that we had. So this is the only way to do so. Otherwise, you can't really actually remove them, unfortunately. But from within the actual designs itself, so if you just go and click on any design here, and if you click on that, and go to the elements section here. So let's just go and search for a few things. We have button, code, blob, shadow, text box. Those are things that I've actually searched for in the past. And as you can see right away, we can actually clear them from the top right here. It does say recent, the search history, and we can also see clear. So if you're just going to click on clear, we don't have search history anymore. So yeah, so we can just go ahead and try to do button again, like that, and now it's actually going to be saved in the elements section, as you can see from the recents, and we can just feel free to clear it whenever. So this is all pretty much for this video. Unfortunately, for the homepage, like I said, there is no possible way to do so, to remove the search history. But anyways, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.